Here's a Wavegenius Elliott wave forecast for January 16, 2014. On the S&P 30-day 1-minute chart, essentially from the 1769 low to the 1850 high, we have wave 1, zigzag 2 into a 3. Again, as you guys know, this is the 80% trade setup where you get a zigzag and a break of 0.786 or 1.00 to the upside, which sets up a third wave. If this is wave 1, zigzag 2 into a 3, the highest target to have if it travels, S&P travels 1.618 times wave 1 would be as high as 1945.44 exactly on the number. We got perfect ABC, and as you guys know, if you've been watching my website, I called for, oh shit. Ay. 1 second. Boom, there we go. Yeah, I was recording some music, and something just popped up. Anyway, that was kind of weird. Yeah, if you were watching my website in the past couple of days, you would have seen my call when it was 1832. I was looking for S&P to bottom out at 1816 or 1815. Got down to 1816, bottomed and rallied. And as you guys know, if you've been following my website for a while, it happens all the time, so it's no big deal to me. But for most people, they'll be like, oh my god, I'm the greatest. But no. To me, it's like, whatever. I've done it so many times, it's like no big deal. So, yeah. So basically, when it was 1832 S&P, I said there'd be a flush down to 1810 to 1815, which would pretty much end it and cause it, and then reverse in a rally. That's exactly what happened. 1816 and a rally, or about 1.00. The Dow, same formation. Wave 1, zigzag 2 into a third wave setup. Top of the B is around 16,550, and if it takes that out, a third wave would target as high as, let me see, 17,400 or 17,500 in the third wave. That'd be 1, zigzag 2 into a 3. All it has to do is clear the top of the B in 1.00 around 16,570 to set up the third wave. Pretty simple. Wave 1, zigzag 2 into a 3. I'll slow down. NASDAQ. Gotta slow down, Ted, so people understand what you're saying. Okay. NASDAQ, same thing. Wave 1, it's actually a flat 2. Wave 1, flat 2 into a 3. It took out the top of the B, actually the 4 Bs, B wave, B wave, B wave, B wave. Bottomed out at 4,100 and rallied into, or could be the start of a third wave. If this is wave 1, flat 2 into a 3, the highest target to have would be approximately 4,400 in the third wave. Actually, 4,450 to 4,500 in the third wave. That'd be 1, flat 2 into a 3. My current position right now is a U-Pro. And as you guys know, what I do is I wait for 1, zigzag 2, buy the breakout of 0.786, and then ride the third wave. So I bought it at 94.51 when it just broke above 0.786 of the C wave. ABC broke the 0.786 retracement level. I bought right there. Now, at the close, I was up about $4,200. But I expect a lot more because I buy at 1.00. And the third wave in U-Pro, or target as high as 1.68 would be at 108 to 110. So I ain't selling this thing because I'm going to make a lot of money. That's a wrap.